How to activate a free hit in FPL. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's understand what a free hit is. The free hit chip lets you make unlimited transfer for one game week only. After the game week ends, your squad reverts back to how it was before. You get one free hit per season with no carryover. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the application, tap on Fantasy and then go to Transfer. In the transfers, you can make as many transfers as you like until the play free hit, which is for one game week season. In order to transfer the player, what you need to do is tap on any of the player, tap on select replacement and then select the player. Now tap on next and confirm the button. After this, you can successfully activate the free hit and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.